Okay, so let's do this lab. We have a temperature probe here. It's connected to my calculator, and this is the temperature of the atmosphere right now. And so our first step is to obtain a sample, and we're to kind of look at it and see what it looks like. So observe it. I'm going to kind of poke around with it so you can see how it looks. It's kind of sticking to my stirring rod. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it into my flask. And now I'm going to add about 20 milliliters of water, 25, somewhere around there. Let's go ahead and check the temperature of our water before any reaction. And it seems to be close to the same number. Okay, so now we're going to add our water, and we're not going to stir, we're just going to add water. And you're to observe it before I stir. And if you need to pause the video, please do so. Now I'm going to go ahead and stir. And you should be making more observations while I'm stirring. Okay, I've got most of it dissolved. Go ahead and record your observations and see if our temperature is. Oh. Okay. Now I'm going to take a piece of aluminum foil. We've all seen aluminum foil before, but to make it fit in the beaker, I'm just going to kind of put it in and drop it in. And you should observe. Well, that's dramatic. Okay, now the temperature is going back down. You need to observe that. I'm going to move this out of the way. And just for reference, 38 is body temperature, so 55 is well above your internal body temperature. So it felt very warm. It was not to the boiling point of water, which is 100 Celsius, but it was significantly warm. I'm going to pour a little bit of this liquid out so you can see it. onto this paper so you can get a color for that. Let me do that again. And I'm going to pour the liquid off and let's see if there's anything left in the bottom of the beaker. So right now I'm decanting it. Which means I'm just carefully, slowly pouring off the liquid layer from the possible solid in the bottom. And I think you can see a slight color there. Let's see if we can get maybe a little bit better look at that. We can go maybe a little further. Okay. So that pretty much concludes it. Nothing else is going to happen, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording. And thank you for watching.